Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. And today we just got another laptop to review, which is the MSI GE76 Reader. I'm going to unbox with you guys along with my first impression. And we also gonna go over the specs, the exterior, and also we are going to open the back cover to see what we have inside of this little beast. And at the end of the video, we are going to play some games to test the performance, the noise level, also the temperature of this laptop. There is gonna be a lot to be covered in this video. Make sure to stick it to the end so you don't miss anything. And without any further ado, let's get this video started with our legendary knife. Oh, a box inside another box. True gaming. And for this particular one that we have, which features the i7 11800H processor, RTX 3060, 1TB of M.2 SSD, and DDR4 16GB of RAM. And now, let's open the box inside the other box. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so the packaging, it's not so impressive compared to Alienware, but it's well protected. Let's take a look at this side box for now. Let's see what we have in there. Okay, so which is the power cable and our power brick. And let's see what we have in here. Nothing, not even a sticker, nor a manual, man. Okay, so I say we just take out the laptop then. It's heavy. Oh, the menu is behind it. Let's take a look at this little bag. So we got our little dragon. It says stop. A register for a 3 more months warranty. More advertisement is F3 hotkey recover function. And also the user guide. And now let's get the dragon out of the bag. Another bag. Oh, look at this. And the fan part. That sounds nice. That matte material feels really nice. And it looks very beefy. Looks like those muscular car. I really like the finishing and also this logo. Even though it's not RGB, but it's really nice. It feels like the ancient empire or something. And I wish this two connector will be the same finishing as this, so it won't be that stand out. Now it looks very cheap, which is just the plastic, but our other is really nice. And this laptop measured about 15.6 inch in length, 11.3 in width, and height about 1.1 inch. And this laptop is a little heavier, which weighs 6 pounds and 7.7 ounces. And now let me go over with you guys the exterior of this laptop. On the cover of the laptop, you got a very cool logo, the MSI Dragon in the shield, which is really cool. And you get this matte finishing. It's really nice and smooth. And on our left side of the laptop, we got our speakers right here. And then we got our audio port and USB Type-C and regular USB and our All-Take fan and your lock. And on the right side of our laptop, we got speaker, we got 2 USB, and we got 1 SD slot and another All-Take vent. And for the front, which is the part that I like the most, it got a full-size RGB strip that will light up from the left all the way to the right, which is really cool. And at the back, we have our display port, our Thunderbolt Type-C, Ethernet cable, HDMI, and also the power port. And this power port is really different. All other is round one, but this one is a rectangular one. And also we have 2 All-Take fans, one from the left and one from the right. And on the bottom of the laptop, we got 3 non-slippery rubber, 1 huge one, so it won't go anywhere on your desktop. And we got a lot of screws on the cover to get access to the inside. So that's gonna be lots of fun. And as you guys can see, we got some vents that can get the air in there. And then we can see through the vent, there are 2 fans over here, which is our intake. And that's everything for the exterior. And now let's take a look at the inside of what we got and what we can do for this laptop. That's what I was talking about. So many screws. And now let's just pop it open from the side. Okay guys, now let's take a look at what we have inside here. The battery seems really good, which is the 99.9 watt hours. That will surely last you pretty long. And then we got our RAM slot right here, dual channel, which is up to 64 gigabyte of RAM. And storage wise, we have two SSD slots. One came with the laptop, another one is empty, that we can surely add another one in there. And we got our Wi-Fi card right here. And we have two fans, one on the left, one on the right. And there are 6 heat pipes, but unfortunately, there's only 2 on the CPU, but luckily we have 4 on the GPU, which is really good. So it seems like this thing is gonna keep you cool. And then we have our speakers, one on the left, of course, one on the right. And I really like the way how they do the heat pipes, which is not a brown color. They tinted it to black, which looks really cool. Okay guys, so now let's put back the cover and flip over, turn on the lid, see what we have in there. And now guys, let's open the lid. Ooh, this is really nice. I like this cloth, man. It's not cheap at all. You got a MSI logo on there. You can use this to clean your screen just like that. Really nice. And my first impression guys, this thing is big. Of course, it is a 17-inch laptop, but it feels really good. And the matte finishing inside is really smooth too. But one thing I don't like is there's too many stickers. But I think we can easily remove this, no problem. And the lid feels really good quality too. It's pretty steady and it's very smooth. You don't have to hold your laptop to open or close the lid, which is really good. And the touchpad feels very smooth too. It feels really nice. And it doesn't leave any fingerprint on it. That's really cool. And the keyboard feels smooth and clicky. And I'm pretty impressed that it's not loud at all. And also this keyboard has the RGB effect too. You can customize them with the LED strip in front of the laptop. And it looks very clean on the top and both on the side. And these speakers are supposed to be very amazing. What they call is the audio sound system. They give you those realistic sounds, and we're gonna test that too. And the display we have right here, nothing really crazy, but 144 Hz on the 1080p 17-inch for a gaming laptop. That is well enough. And on top of the screen we have our webcam too. And I really like this clean look. It doesn't have any other stuff that is unnecessary. It is pretty thick, but it actually gives this very slim look. And now guys, let me plug in the power and set it up and do some performance test and also the noise level, temperature, and our awesome speakers. And now let us boot up for the first time. Man, look at this strip light. Look at this. I really like this RGB lighting strip. And also the keyboard, it's changing the color too with the strip light. It's just so nice. It doesn't feel like a regular strip light. It gives you this river flow. You see, like spectrum in the river. It's really nice. Alrighty, let me set up the laptop and I'll show you more. Alright guys, let's play some Warzone. Everything on high and ultra, we are getting above 110, sometimes 120 FPS. And the temperature on the GPU is amazing. It's around 60 something to 70. The CPU is a little bit higher. I think that is because it only got 2 heat pipes on it, while the GPU got 4 heat pipes. But I think we can easily to lower the temperature on the CPU by apply a cooling pad under the laptop. Man, look at this. Oh, we're good. I'd say this is pretty good. This laptop is really solid. The noise level, I'd say this is pretty quiet than the previous ones that I have reviewed. And let me give you guys an idea of how loud of this laptop. You don't hear those high spinning noise like a blue dryer or an airplane taking off. This is really good. I say this is not loud at all. And let's try a more demanding game right now. Alright guys, and now we are in Cyberpunk and with everything on ultra and high, but no ray tracing, we are guiding around 60 FPS. And the temperature on GPU is still low 70s, but the CPU is a little higher than I expect. And the noise level is stay the same as in the Warzone. Let me bring down the setting to low. So with everything on low, we're guiding above 100 FPS. I say this is amazing. I really like the temperature on the GPU, but not the CPU. And now let's check out this audio system. See if it is really that good.
This is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced begins. This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you.
Overall, guys, I think this is a really good gaming laptop, as well as for the daily use. I like pretty much everything about this laptop. The only thing that I don't like is the CPU temperature when gaming. Other than that, this is solid laptop. And now guys, let's go to the big fish lottery. And guys, to enter the Video League giveaway is really easy and simple. All you need to do is to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment in my most recent video, and the next winner might be you. And now let's draw the lucky winner. And we have total 9 people for this round. And let's see who is the lucky fish. Dun, 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 dun. Congratulations, Stephanie Lee. And I hope the other guys have the better luck next round. And don't forget to enter the next giveaway by like, subscribe, and leave the comment below. And guys, that is pretty much everything for this video. And thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there. And I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.